This is my grown-up sensory table is what I call it, and I change it throughout the seasons, but I use white pearled sand at Christmas time, and I bought some new to freshen it up. It comes with these wicks inside here. But I just want to show you how this works. It's super fun. My teenagers like playing in it too. And I just needed some more sand. It's a blizzard, uh-oh. Charlie Brown. Now, when you light the candles in the sand, you do get some chunks. You can pick them and throw them out, or you can leave them in there. I honestly just leave them in there. But you do use up the sand. So when you buy it, it comes with these wicks. I like to trim the wicks usually, but you don't have to. But I think they're a little long, and when you trim them, you can also just use that as another wick if you want. And then I'm going to show you, hang on. Just light the wick. New wicks. And it just makes for a fun little Christmas decoration. Like I said, I change this up. I do other colors for other seasons. I put out Valentine's Day stuff in February. I take out my Christmas tree and I put out Valentine's Day stuff. But yeah, it's a fun little Christmas decoration we like to do. I hope that helps you know if this is something you want to buy. These will make like a little puddle, and then when you blow them out, they harden. Like I said, you can pull the whole thing out. But you do need to periodically buy some extra candle pearl sand to refresh it. When you blow them out, that little sand hardens, and you just pull the whole thing out and throw it away. Pretty fun. My teenagers like to play with my candle sand too.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.